Hello, welcome everybody to this lesson. In this lesson, I'm just going to show you how to cancel orders and use ADB commands. So if you go to settings in your application, you're just going to see we got order history here, and we purchased applications. So I just want you to go to the merchant account and go view all the recent orders that we made inside the Mindizor project. Or your own project. So I'm just gonna go there and cancel all the orders. So I'm just gonna go to them one by one and cancel them. So why I need to do this step? Because we got that error, this item is already purchased, so we have to cancel this order in order to be able to make a new one. So this is the first step we're just gonna do, just to make sure that, just in case we don't get any exceptions once we purchase that item again. So this is the first step. We have to go to the merchant account, payments that go to the account/merchant, and cancel all these orders. Other thing, you have to make sure that your ID here is matching the ID inside of the Google Play in-app products. And also we need to update the version number because we made a tiny change here inside of our application. So since we made this change to the items, we have to bump the version number to +1. So after that, we have to go here, player settings, and we're just gonna make a new version here. I'm just gonna publish alpha 0.3. So because we changed something in the script, and we just increase the number by 1. I'm just gonna uncheck the development build because we're not gonna be able to publish this to PlayStore in case you increase the version. So this is the alpha test 3, and we're just gonna publish this version and build it first and then publish it. Alright, so here we got the version 3. I'm just gonna go to copy this path and go here ABK, and after that I'm just gonna go to publish this to the Play Store. So here you go, APK, upload browser for file, and just select this file and upload it to the Play Store. Alright, so all the time once you upload an application to Play Store, we are here uploading to the alpha state. So all the time do upload to production unless you make sure that you don't have any error. So yeah, this is the version 3 of alpha. We're just gonna enter some notes here. Let's say error 3 has been fixed or solved, and we're just gonna publish to alpha. So after this step, we're just gonna wait for a while, and after that we can test it on the device. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. Alright, so after we come back here, we uninstall the application, the old version. I'm just gonna install a new version. So here, just go, after we uninstall the application, you can go to the Play Store here and just search for the Mindizor project. So yeah, here we go. I'm just gonna click install, and but before we installed it, make sure that you have the version 0.3. So this is the latest version. I can install right now, or install 0.2 and wait for the version to come as we did in the previous videos. So yeah, I can install it, and as you can see here, we just installed the application. So I can do another test here for the application, or let me say a fresh test. So I'm just gonna click open, and here you're gonna see splash screen, and after that, yeah, we are on main screen. I'm just gonna go here and just gonna try to make another purchase in order to troubleshoot the app. So as you can see here, we keep getting this error, and we're just gonna continue next video and show you how to do it after you restart the device. So after we restarted the device, I just gonna come back to the application and just make another test. Alright, so we're just gonna do the same thing, just try to make another test here after we restarted the device. Yeah, I'm just gonna try to purchase this item here by typing my password, click confirm, payment was successful, and we keep getting this error 3. So yeah, we restarted the device. We're just gonna try to purchase another item. We also gonna get error 3 here. So we got a problem with error 3, and increasing the version number didn't solve it. So we're just gonna show you how to troubleshoot the application by going to remove the application correctly from the device, and also how to use something called ADB commands. So a lot of times when you troubleshoot the application, you have to uninstall the app and uninstall all its content. So we're just gonna go here, start, and search for Windows PowerShell. If you don't have Windows PowerShell, you can install it. It's very easy to be installed. Or if you're using Mac, just open the command prompt and just type the following command. Make sure that you have the Android SDK installed, and that's pretty much all the story. So here I'm just gonna go to this path for the SDK. Inside the SDK we have something called platform tools, but in case, you can click clear in order to clear all the content here in the command prompt. Other thing I just want to notice here, you should care about the current SDK version. So here I have 2 SDKs installed on my computer. So we have to use some commands here. The first command is for uninstalling the app, and other command is for clearing the vending. So I'm just gonna get the app identifier here, the package name, and just gonna copy it and just replace this here. So the first command is just gonna uninstall the application, the other one just gonna clear the vending. So we need these 2 permissions in order to uninstall the application correctly using the ADB. So here I'm just gonna type ADB by going to this path to platform tools, and I'm just gonna click enter. So it seems that we got a problem here because we are using different version from the SDK. So the SDK here I'm using is 64-bit, but let me just here close the application here. Just close the application and get back to PowerShell. We got this error. So I'm just gonna try to execute this command, as you can see here, by typing .exe and the front of it, but you can see you could put dot backslash. So as I said before, make sure that you are using the same SDK as the one in Unity. So I'm using here for Unity SDK Windows 32-bit version. So I have to use this SDK inside PowerShell. You can go edit preferences in order to see your current version of SDK. So you can see this is my current version of SDK. So I'm just gonna go here, copy the path, and just copy this path from here for the 32-bit version. I'm just gonna clear this, go cd, change directory, and just gonna go to this directly and type the command adb.exe and the package name. And we got an error because we have to use we have to change the command by type the trust command, which is basically type dot and then backslash, and after that just gonna type adb.exe in order to execute this executable command. Yeah, so here we got success. We removed the application. As you can see, we removed the application from the device using adb. I'm just gonna try the other command here, which is the same thing. We have to add backslash to it, dot backslash, and execute this command in order to clear vending. So a lot of time we got errors. Make sure that you use these commands in order to troubleshoot the problem, remove the application correctly with all its cache data, and then try to install it again. Yeah, so we just gonna try and install the application again by going to the PlayStore and try to troubleshoot the problem and make sure it's not related to the cache data or to the application installation. So yeah, I'm just gonna click here, as you can see here, because we cleared the caching, we need to accept the terms again for PlayStore, and I'm just gonna go to search for the app by going to Google, type Mindizor. I can type Mindizor IAP or in-app purchase. No, let me just type in-app purchase. All right, demo. Yeah, we got the app. So I can click on the app right now and can click net and install. Just gonna accept the terms again and install it, as you're gonna see here. All right. So also don't forget to delete the previous orders, cancel all the previous orders by cancel them. So I have here 2 orders. I'm just gonna go here, cancel these orders just to make a fresh test. So I can put any of the reasons here. Alright, so all the orders have been canceled, and I can go here and click open. And this is a new fresh test after we used ADB. Most of the cases this is gonna work, but if not, we got an exception from our script. So I'm just gonna go here and click on the store, and click, for example, 10 coins or whatever, and try to purchase this item. Confirm, type the password. Okay, confirm. Alright, so let's say every 30 minutes. Alright, so we just got payment successful. We keep getting this error. So in the next video, we're gonna continue with troubleshooting and just gonna show you how to fix this problem in the next video. So thank you again for watching, guys. I hope this lesson was very beneficial for you. Thank you again for watching.